I witnessing?
That's not yours. That's not yours.
Oh no.
What's going on? What the fuck is he doing?
This is my coupe, it's a leash. Hop in that coupe, feel like Meech. All of my niggas to eat, we feast. Ballin' the beat, feeling like beat.
Oh, you're both that guy, you're both it.
Like, your name? Like, where from?
What's my name?
It's Brandon. Okay, AK.
What's my name in the bedroom?
Oh, Brandon AK.
A bitch. Oh, shit. Oh, no, he's violating your shit. Beat him up.
This looks really familiar.
Oh.
It's just like you. And I eat it.
Eat it. What?
On my red, stacking brick, Lego shit, Lego big. Check it out, race out, bad beat, poke it out. All these niggas they fall off, all these bitches they fall off. Walk in the building, I feel like this shit. Shame on, hey, all on my dick. These bitches they say they try caught it, but caught it. Been fucking these bitches, the bitches they with. Hey, I smoke the hood.
Oh! Oh! I got a cramp. Oh! Fuck yeah. I'm good, yeah.
I work in a hospital. You okay?
No, yeah, I'm good. I'm just like, I was playing football yesterday with the
Cap.
players. And like, I was just like going crazy. Cause like, I can use
Cap.
like D1.
Well, okay.
So yeah, I was just training a little hard yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I think I'm good though. Thanks.
Yeah, I work in a hospital.
Yeah.
I saw you like that. I said,
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Thank you.
All right.
I'm just looking for my girl, my girl.
Cap.
Can I have your number? Yeah. Thank you.
Cap.
I'm
Cap.
Memphis.
Cap. Cap.
Wait, how old are you? I'm
Cap.
21.
Cap. No, but like.
I'm being nice to her. She's being really nice.
Yeah.
Keep on trying to press. See you later. Have a good day. Oh, no,
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yeah, no, yeah. Oh, you're good. You're good. Have a good day.
I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and head. Cartier and leg. Arm and leg. Head and check. Arm and leg. Head and check.
You wanna see my girl? My girl's right here. Come here. My girl's right there. And my girl's right there. And my girl's right. Ah! Ah! I got a cramp. Yeah, I think. Ah! Fuck. Ah. Yeah, a little bit. Thanks, buddy. You good? Thank you, though. Yeah. I'm good. I just got a cramp. Thank you. Yeah. Have a good day. Ah! 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 I think I tripped. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, Daddy, you here? You good, Daddy? This is my boy. We've been dating for like 2 months. Thank you, though. Thank you. Yeah. I just like, I just tripped. I think I tripped when I was walking out that thing. Yeah, I'm good, baby. I'm good. It's my boyfriend. We've been dating for 2 months. Yeah. Ah! 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 I got a cramp. My fault. Yeah, that's me, my fault. Yeah, my fault. Am I recording? Who's recording? I found this place. I'm doing a list, like what I want for Christmas. So what city we're in? New York, right? Yeah. I think we're in Australia.
Yeah.
Right?
LA.
You're saying what do I want? I want Zendaya. I was gonna write that too. I need that too.
What do you desire first? Like, when do you
This. Right, all this. Let's go to the North Pole.
No way.
I love you. Yeah, Daddy? Ah! 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 I just fell. Can someone help me? I just fell.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good, but I thought someone would help me out, but we good. I'm good. Sorry.
You're crazy.
I
It's
tripped.
the second time.
I tripped my
Are
fault.
you crazy?
No, I tripped.
Oh,
I tripped.
trip, yeah.
Yeah, my
Go
fault.
to the hospital.
Yeah, I need to.
It's the second time.
Second time? No, I just tripped.
You fell down the second time. First time there and
Yeah, I tripped like
Call the police
I
because
tripped
you-
twice.
yeah. How did you trip?
I was walking and I went like
A
this.
trip?
Cause like my legs were
It's the
untied over
second
there,
time.
and then this one I just like I was walking by and then I hit the mirror.
Cap.
Well, you better be careful.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
I don't know. Yeah, it's just like it just hurts. I can't like hold in the pain. Like,
well, you trip. I mean,
Like,
you
I
have
just
to be
need to
more
attention.
careful if your tie is untied.
I know.
You know, that whose fault is that if you have something untied?
It's lying. It's the second time.
Yeah, second time I tripped
was
over there and I tripped
You
right
fall
here.
down.
You know they're recording the video. Maybe you better get out of the store so that way you don't trip in the store.
Your friend.
Really?
I got no friends.
Well, he's there. Don't tell me. You better go.
Who's down there?
Go.
No one's down there.
Go. He's out of the store.
I don't see him. I don't got no friends. I'm not.
I have witnesses.
Is Stefanos?
No.
She's not.
Dude, that's not a worker.
She is she's a manager.
Hey, Eric.
Good.